Hey you great people, so I've got another great video for you to hopefully enjoy, this time from the Code Blue Cam YouTube channel. The video is called Man Released from Jail Immediately Steals Truck Outside the Police Department. To be honest, from the title, this sounds like it could be on America's Dumbest Criminals, honestly. And I have had a look upon the figures in Wisconsin where most of these Code Blue Cam videos are filmed. And the latest figures in 2020 I could find, there were 3,993 vehicle thefts recorded in Wisconsin in 2020. By the way, thanks to some of you for the fantastic Christmas messages. I managed to catch up and reply to most of you. There's a couple yet I will reply to in a bit. I hope you enjoy anyway. How dumb is he though? Let me move myself down a little bit. By the way, I've only got about 5 months now to when I go to America, and I cannot wait. "23-year-old Kaylin Shara for vehicle theft and possession of drug paraphernalia. Due to Los Angeles County $0 bail schedule, Shara was released from custody in 6 hours being booked with a notice to appear in court at a later date." Why is it not reading it out? Got the volume on right? Yeah. 3 hours after he was released from custody on August 3rd, 9:30 am, Shara was arrested again and booked for trespassing. What a moron. Here we go. The next morning, August 4, 6 PM, due to Los Angeles County $0 bail schedule, he was released from custody with a notice to appear in court. That sounds like a dumb law to me, if you ask me. If you just go out and commit crimes, a few hours later commit another crime. Notice a flatbed truck was parked out in front of the Glendale Police Department jail release door. Really? So he literally walked just a few yards across from being released from the police department, walked a few yards and stole a truck. And here he is in the white. You notice it's unoccupied and running with the keys in the ignition. What an absolute moron. The zero bail release thing should not relate to him. He quickly entered the truck and fled in it. The driver of the truck was delivering a dumpster right across the street and observed the truck being stolen. It could be difficult to stop that as well. Vehicles equipped with a tracking device allowing officers to actively track its location. Yeah, I don't think it's getting away. The truck arrived at a parking lot in the city of Laverne, where officers conducted a traffic stop. Good job he pulled over, like I said, because you ain't stopping that with a patrol car if you wanted to flee. What an absolute idiot though, let me just say. All of those cameras outside the police department, Laverne Police Department, he's literally just been released for the third time in like a day and a bit. And literally with all them cameras on him, he steals a truck right outside the police department after his release. What a moron.
Passenger side?
Gun's out already. I don't know what gun it is. Is it a Glock? I didn't get to see it properly.
Driver, roll down your window!
Can't tell. It looks like a Glock. Was it
I'm gonna go around the passenger side.
Was it a Glock 19? Glock 23? What's the 9mm? Get behind some cover, that's a good idea. Just in case.
I got passenger side. Hey driver, stick your hands out the window. Hey, with your right hand, take
Open
that
the
key
door.
out the ignition. Just the right hand only. Put it on top of the door.
Drop it out the window.
Quiet.
Calm down, dog.
Open the door with your left hand slowly.
What was the point in all this? He's only fled down the road and now he's given up and just going back to jail again.
Keep your hands where we can see
What a
them.
fool.
Open it up all the way. Hands up high.
Hop on down.
Alright, go ahead and sidestep to your left. Face that way. Sidestep to your left.
Backwards,
Keep
backwards.
going. Keep going. Keep going. Grab the collar of your your shirt. Lift it up.
You can see if there's any gun on his waistband.
Lift it up high.
Spin round.
See your waistband.
Yeah.
Go ahead, make a 360.
Don't know if he's got no gun on him.
Keep your hands up high.
I'd always assume though that they have got a weapon on them, even if they want it in the waistband. But still be careful, you know.
Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Keep your hands up. Continue to walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Keep going.
Don't like the trousers, yellow on the front with black and red legs on the back. They're weird.
Keep going.
But then he obviously is weird, getting arrested what, like 4 times in a day and a bit.
Interlace your hands on your head. Get down to one knee.
Get on your front.
Get down to the other knee.
I know.
Put your feet and ankles together. Do not move. You understand? Ready?
I wish that dog would shush, it's really annoying me now. Sorry. He does look a bit weird, to be honest, just saying. Obviously he's got issues in his head. To be getting arrested 4 times in like a day and a half.
You're gonna spread your feet. Is there anybody else in the car?
He's not even achieved anything by stealing the truck. He's been caught on camera outside the police department stealing it, gone down the road a little bit, and then given up. He's going back to jail again. What is the point?
Can't see. There are drugs hidden on you. Anything that's gonna poke these, stick these down.
He's literally got in his pockets what you've just released him from jail with. That was on him. When was this? 4th of August last year this was recorded. He was looking in the top right corner.
Hold on 1 second. Alright, he's secure.
At least the truck didn't get damaged or nothing, so the guy whose truck it is, or the company at least he works for, he can get on with carrying on with the rest of his day and his job.
Good boy.
That's the longest lead I've ever seen, that dog leash. Clear. Yeah, I'm looking at the gun again. The officer's got definitely a Glock, but I don't know what model it is. Can anyone tell me what model it is? Was that correct? Is it a Glock 19 or a Glock 23 in 9mm? What would the capacity be on? Something like that? 12 shots of 9mm? Maybe? I'm just guessing.
I thought he was going to take off because he kind of slightly picked it up again. It didn't start. Did you have? No, we didn't light it up. No. Joy. He did, right? You okay? Good. We're gonna talk to you in a second, okay? I'm just checking on you. Still lean on the door because we're gonna open it probably.
You're going to fall out backwards. A bang on his head might do him actually some good, to be honest.
Alright, hey, what's your name? Huh? Tyler? Do you know your ID number? Tyler, what's your last name? I can't hear you. Spell
Shara.
that.
Double R-E-R.
S-C-H. I can't hear you. S-C-H-A-E-R-R-E-R. And what's your middle name? I can't hear you.
David.
Dade?
Did?
I'm sorry, I just can't. There's engines going on, there's traffic, I just can't hear you.
Hey, brother, I'm gonna move you over to a more comfortable car.
More comfortable car. What, Rolls Royce?
You got a hat?
Yeah.
Alright. Goddamn, bro, you're fucking tall. Not really. Alright, come on. Let's go.
More comfortable car. It's the same vehicle, isn't it? Just a different officer's car. Yeah. It's exactly the same, isn't it?
Your car. Before you put them in your car. Can you put down? Yeah.
I'll do it again. Here, come on.
Why did it shut down, dude?
It doesn't matter. I have to do it again.
Well, then if it don't matter, then don't let it.
Huh? Separate your feet. Here.
Look at all the gear this officer's carrying in vehicle number 27. Look at all the gear in the back. Hell. I suppose we've got to be prepared for all the eventualities while we're out on the streets in the patrol vehicles.
What?
Yeah, what?
What?
WHAT, what?
Water. Is that what he said? Can't tell what he's saying. It's so quiet.
Still on your name, man? It's Weston.
Huh?
That's what it says. Texting, sorry.
He ain't got a lot to say for himself, has he? I will say the problem, and it is a big problem, this zero bail thing where you don't have to pay any bail out of Laverne Police Department, whatever. What sort of message does that send to criminals where they can commit an offence like he's done, be out in, what was it, 6 hours, commit another offence, get taken to jail, be out in 3 hours again, free, and then commit this crime? Or actually, this was the fourth crime in about a day and a half, I think. What sort of message does it send where you don't even have to find bail or anything? Really? Just saying, you know. Not a good message to me. You commit crimes, you're out again in a few hours. Commit another crime, you're in for a few hours, you're back out again in a few hours.
We appreciate your cooperation, bro.
It's like it says, well, here for minor incidents, minor crimes, or where you're under investigation, the police have up to 24 hours to keep you in police custody before they've either got to release you on bail, which would be a month to start with, or drop all charges, or charge you and take you to court the next morning and potentially prison or whatever.
Let me see it, please.
Get your laces right here.
The ring. So, no, on the ground. Is it
Huh?
that ring you pulled out of my pocket and threw on the ground? It's not on the ground. It's not ring, brother.
Oh, that ring.
And
It was that metal class thing that
I
we
have on my boot. You don't have to watch.
What?
Look around, see if that ring is there.
I'll look around.
Hey, look at the camera. I just need to take a picture of you. Can you move your head up? I'm sorry, down, like your.
Up, down, left, right. What's he reaching for? Is he checking, see if he's trying to get out of the handcuff? You ain't going to get out of them if you double lock.
God? Oh, I guess I'm in now.
This one's location took custody of Sharara. Booked for vehicle theft. Oh, and this time they did put a bail amount on him of $25,000.
Yeah, best thing is to get me far away from here.
I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. How dumb was he? Seriously, I don't see the point in any of that. Why he stole the actual truck or anything. Just totally pointless. Again, thank you, like I said at the start of this video, thank you for some of your Christmas messages. Absolutely wonderful to hear from you, as always. If you'd like to see more content like this, then please check out my other great content and playlists on this, Paul B. Hossin 85. Please also don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Have yourselves a wonderful day, just like I'm going to. Thank you so much.